Do you love playing games and want to earn money while doing it? Then Money RAWR app is just for you. Welcome to the world of Money RAWR, an Android-exclusive app that combines fun and finance in a unique and exciting way. With over 5 million downloads and a notable 4.3-star rating on the Google Play Store, this app has been making waves in the casual gaming community. Money RAWR app is not just about playing games, it's about getting paid for it. The app rewards users with coins for every second spent playing games or completing surveys. And with a new portfolio of games introduced every day, your chances of earning never run out. This app also features an offer wall, where you can find a range of tasks, from downloading and trying out other apps to watching short advertisements, all offering additional coins. So if you're a casual gamer looking to earn some extra cash, Money RAWR app could be your new best friend. You might be wondering, how does Money RAWR app work? It's simple and straightforward. First, you'll need to download the app from the Google Play Store. Once downloaded, register using your preferred method: email, Google, or Facebook account. With the registration complete, you're ready to dive into the world of games. Money RAWR offers a new portfolio of games every day, so there's always something new to explore. Now let's talk about the fun part: playing games. Choose from the big offer wall and play any game that catches your fancy. The best part is, you earn coins for every second you play. The more you play, the more coins you get. It's a win-win situation. You're having fun and earning at the same time. But that's not all. You can also earn coins by answering surveys. This typically offers higher rewards compared to playing games. Each survey takes about 15 minutes and rewards you with a substantial amount of coins. If you're up for more, you can earn additional coins by watching short advertisements. And there's even an offer wall where you can find a range of tasks, from downloading and trying out other apps. One of the exciting features of Money RAWR is the referral program. Here, you can earn 25% of all rewards collected by friends who sign up using your referral link. This can be a lucrative way to earn passively. Once you've collected enough coins, you can redeem them for gift cards or real cash rewards. The app provides several payout options, including PayPal and gift cards for popular retailers like Amazon, Starbucks, and Google Play. The minimum payout threshold is relatively low, starting at 50 cents for PayPal. Remember, the more you play, the more coins you get, and the more rewards you can redeem. It's as simple as that. The cycle continues as you play, earn, and enjoy your rewards, so why wait? Start your gaming adventure with Money RAWR today and let the fun begin. Now that you have all those coins, you might be wondering, how do you actually get the rewards? Well, it's quite straightforward. Money RAWR offers several payout options. If you prefer cash, you can easily convert your coins into PayPal money. The minimum payout threshold for PayPal is surprisingly low, starting at just 50 cents. Perhaps you're more of a shopaholic? Then opt for gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Starbucks, and Google Play. The beauty of Money RAWR is the flexibility it provides, allowing you to choose a reward that best suits your preferences. So, whether you're saving up for that special something or just looking for a way to make your gaming time more rewarding, Money RAWR has got you covered. The process is easy, the rewards are enticing, and the convenience is unbeatable. So what are you waiting for? Download the Money RAWR app today and start earning while playing. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content.